to the channel, fellas. As you guys already know, the car is running and I'm actually going to take it for a really long drive today. My girlfriend and I decided we're going to take a drive to Aspen, which is a 4-hour drive all up mountains. Very scenic drive. It's going to be very colorful with all the fall colors going on. So we're going to be taking the Audi mobile with us. Hopefully it doesn't leave us stranded somewhere. She won't. I did a little pre-inspection. We've had S4 beat. Back here I'm prepared with some tools, some Crocs in case of an emergency, a light, and my handy dandy skills. So wish me luck. I'll keep you guys posted on the trip. No more racing Mustangs. No more transmission, I promise. 3 hours and 57 minutes till we get up there. 171 miles. Be there at 2 p.m. all through the canyons. This is gonna be a great drive. Super excited. This is a really big incline here in Colorado. And currently with the new thermostat, my oil temps are staying at about, I'd say that's about 215, 210. Coolant temps are good. Whole car is doing very well. Also just started, but we'll make it. You think we're gonna make it or what?
We'll see, we'll see. No, I do, I think so.
Yeah, we will, we should, we need to. Had to stop by and get some gas. I did have half a tank of gas, but this is one of the stops. $5 a gallon, bro. $41 for half a tank of gas. Okay, maybe I was a little under, maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's look down here and see if there's any leakages. Oh yeah, buds. We're out here in Twin Lakes. We've been on the road for a while now because we made a lot of stops. Like I said, that Starbucks kind of made me take the doo-doo poo-poo. Traffic was really bad. For a while it added like maybe an hour to the drive. But so far everything's going very well. I honestly have no idea how I'm gonna put this video together. I'm not this kind of vlogger, a trip vlogger, but I do like to vlog cars. What a road. What a pretty little purr. Damn, that is a loud ass fuel pump. Kinda sounds a little too loud. Hope I don't have to do a fuel pump job out here. My pumpona. Views on views on views. Fellas, we have arrived to our destination.
Only 2 hours after we're supposed to.
Because people take forever to get out of the house.
Good morning, fellas.
We're out here. It's the second day, or the next day. It's the next day and the Audi's still doing very well. I feel like I have too much slop on my mounts. I'd like to get, when I get home, I'm gonna lift it up and see. I have some apical transmission mounts and some stern mounts. So, I mean, it shouldn't really be slopping around too much, but it does. And below the car, I have seen the bushings just look a little bit, you know, a little worn out. So I might just need new ones. But yeah, I mean, these are very steep roads and I'm on it and I let off and I just feel the whole motor just like kind of like settle down a little bit. But other than that, she's doing well. And look at all those trees. This is some steep as hills, bud. Oh, that was into fourth. Whoops. Let me know in the comments if you guys have notchy ass transmissions like me. I feel like I have to wait years before I can shift. Check it out. I'm like gonna try to go into third and watch how long it takes me for it to go. Oh, whoops. Can't do it right now, I'm driving. Sorry guys. Watch third. There's not like a direct like back. Some nighttime driving in the S4. Halfway down the mountain. Some pretty aggressive overtakes. Up hills. and this thing did not climb anywhere above 225 on oil temps. Oh fuck, it's leaking air, I think. We're back to Denver. Hopefully things continue to go well. My toolbox is back there. I've been kind of driving a little nuts over passing cars. On your love all the time, I can't wait. My Audi, my Audi. What took you so long? I thought you'd never start. My Audi, my Audi, my Audi, my Audi loves me after all. Oh yeah, some tunnel vids. 4 hours, huh? Dang. It's quite the drive. Well, fellas, I'd say this car's pretty broken in. I don't know. I'll do a little inspection when I get home, make sure everything's good, but it's been doing pretty goddamn solid, I would say. Alright, fellas, we made it back. We are in town. Gonna do a little celebratory pull. Anyways, fellas, that'll be it. Until next time.